Hi guys, I'm Brady Smith, the Rural Specialist for Butler Soil and Water Conservation District. And today I'm going to spend a few minutes talking to you guys and gals about pond aeration. So pond aeration is when we use air bubbles to achieve mixing of the layers of the pond. So you're going to want to mix the coldest layer on the bottom and the hottest layer on top. So through this, we achieve benefits in water quality and mitigate the possibility of algal growth, fish kills, and even other types of vegetation growing on the pond. So there's really three types of aerators out there. There's electrically powered, which is powered through our normal modern power grid, and then two off-the-grid forms, one of which we see behind me, which is a wind powered. It's working great today. And solar powered. So this landowner opted to choose the wind powered one because we have a lot of wind out here. It's pretty flat, there's not a lot of trees, and it's about a half mile to the nearest power source. At the time when they purchased this, solar wasn't as great. It wasn't as commonly found as we see today, and it was also, if you could get a solar system, it was really expensive. But one of the drawbacks is if it's not windy, you're not going to have any aeration. And similarly with solar, if it's not sunny, you're not going to have any aeration unless you have a battery backup. But that's also another added cost to the solar system. Oftentimes residents will ask me if they can use a fountain to aerate their pond, and the answer to that is simply no. And that's only because the fountain systems are pulling hot water from the surface of the water and returning it to the surface. There's no actual, like we were talking about earlier, there's no air bubbles forcing their way up through the water column. But if there was a system out there that had the aerator on the bottom and the fountain on top, that would be good, because again, you have the water quality benefits and the aesthetic benefits of the aerator and the fountain together. So thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. You can look up more information on our website. It's Butler, SWCD.org. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.